Let's say you want to get your data stewards involved with governing metrics or other objects within Compendium. How does that look? We're going to use a metric as an example and show how you can extend that ability to your data stewards and people who don't have admin rights. So to start with, we're going to go into the admin side. So I'm logged in as an administrative user, and I'm going to go and find the Metadata Object Permissions page. And within there, I can grant permissions to specific objects to other users. So in this case, we're going to grant access to non-admin user here with an ID of demo B. And there are a couple different options here. We're going to focus on object administration for this demo today. And then we're going to select the object that we want to grant access to. So I'm going to find a metric, and let's say 30-day readmission rate is the one that we want this person to be able to administer. So I save that permission, and now I'm going to go ahead and log out and log back in as that user. All right, now I'm logged in as the non-admin user. I have a new link up here that says Metadata Objects, and if I click on that, I can see all the objects that I've been granted access to. So in this case, it's 30-day readmission rate, which is what we wanted it to be. And within there now, I can go in as a data steward. Let's say I'm the steward for this particular metric. I can go in and I can change the description. I can update any of the attribute fields within here, the inclusions and exclusions, even the metric SQL. Those things can all be updated so that it doesn't all have to be done by administrative users. So maybe I'm going to add an exclusion here of patients under 18. And if I'm utilizing the metric hub functionality, that might be something that I'm changing within the metric SQL as well. It's a little bit more complicated, but let's just say we have a field that we can use called patient age, and we'll say it's greater than or equal to 18. And I will save that. And now when I go back to the home page, you can see that the changes I've made have been updated within that 30-day readmission object. So there's that patients under 18 that I added, and the metric SQL has been updated as well. Now, another way to get to that information if I've been granted access is through this edit button. So I can come in here and click this edit button, and only I get that, or if I'm an admin, only people who've been granted access have that edit button, and that gets them right there quickly. So that allows your data stewards and others that you want to grant access to your various objects to be able to really own those, so it doesn't all fall on the administrators.